Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ugreen wireless charger. Plug the USB-C cable into the pad and into a QC18W or PD20W wall adapter. This ensures stable current and fast charge. Once done, set the pad on a flat, stable surface and clear nearby metal objects to avoid interference. Make sure your phone case is not thicker than 3.5 mm. Thinner silicone or plastic is fine. Align the phone so its wireless charging coil meets the pad's center, because correct alignment is how charging actually begins. Now place your phone onto the pad with the camera or center mark aligned. You should see the LED indicator pulse or change color to confirm charging. If your Ugreen model supports tilt, try landscape placement for media use, while making sure airflow is not blocked to manage heat. Once charging begins, monitor the first 5 minutes. Check the phone's battery jump from 0 to 20% and feel the pad temperature. Adjust alignment slightly if charging stops, because small shifts often disrupt the coil cut. To finish, remove your phone when you reach an appropriate charge level. Many prefer 80–90% for battery health. Then power down the pad if not in regular use. If charging fails, first swap the adapter and USB-C cable to rule out power delivery issues. Then restart your phone and try repositioning it on the pad. If it still won't charge, test a second phone to determine whether the pad or the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.